You can see I've got these speakers installed. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending them to me. Power them on. They're sitting here on the handlebars. They work cool.
FM
Comes
mode.
and tells you FM mode, or you turn it Bluetooth mode. You can pair it. And it's got a little antenna that comes with it, and the wire goes back down to the battery. I'm excited about them. I want to show you this speaker system for my Harley. It's totally awesome. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me. So you open it up, it says you can plug it in and play with it and hear the music before you install it. Anyway, there's zip ties for the wire. There's an antenna for it. There are two connectors to hold the speakers to the handlebars, and it's really cool. It's self-contained. It's either Bluetooth or FM radio. That's why we've got an antenna for it. And so the other thing is the antenna plugs in right here. This uses the standard plug. I have one of these on my bike already for my battery tender, which is going to be awesome to help it install. And then the last thing that comes in the box is a little manual to show you how to connect it and install it. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in and play with it first, like the instruction says. Alright, we plugged them in. They're pretty darn easy to use. You turn the power on and it comes up. You hit the mode
Bluetooth
here.
FM mode.
Okay.
Bluetooth mode.
And you switch it to Bluetooth mode. I went in, and as soon as it went into Bluetooth mode, I turned my phone on and I connected it. And then you can see I have it connected to Bluetooth. The volume is up and down here in the radio mode.
FM mode.
You just turn it like that to scan up and down. I need to install it all and give it a try, but other than that, it's really pretty cool.